Good morning, friends. All right, let's catch up from the weekend, okay? So let's look at our last day we did calendar was Thursday the 9th. So Friday would have been the 10th, Saturday the 11th, Sunday the 12th. That gets us to today. So what comes after 12? 13. Today is the 13th. Let's look at our pattern. So we had an ABB pattern. ABB, ABB. So let's look right there. What do you predict it will be? If you said A, you were correct. And then Saturday would have been a B. And Sunday would also be a B. And that makes today an A. I hope you all did something fun. Yesterday was Easter Sunday. I'll write Easter down here. I hope you did something fun on Easter Sunday. Got to hunt some eggs or do something exciting with your family. Let's follow this up and see. What day of the week is it? It starts with a M. Sunday, Monday. I hope you said Monday. Okay. Let's go to our next. Let's look at our calendar journal. Here we go. So today is Monday. We're still in the month of April. And we said it was the 13th. So let's write that. Today is Monday, April 13th. And the year is still 2020. Let's read that together. Here we go. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020. Okay. Make sure you look outside for the weather. The season is still spring, but sometimes in the spring, this weather changes a lot. Last week it was very sunny, but look outside and feel, is it sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, or snowy? The temperature might even be different. It might be sunny, but it might be very cold. Look outside and see. Here we go. So we added 3 days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days, and Monday. So we need to add 4 days to our tallies. So I've got a 5 here. We're going to add 4 days, but right now I have 4. And 5 means you shut the door. So there's our first day that we're adding. That puts us up to 5, and 5 is 10. Now we need 3 more days. So we'll do 3 more tallies. So 5 plus another 5 is 10. 11, 12, 13. Today is our 13th day of April. All right, let's look at our coins today. Let's see what coins we have. Pull my purse out. So we have 13 days, so we need to get to 13. 13 days. I'm not sure I have 13 pennies. Let's start by counting out my first 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I only have 10 pennies, but we can do some changing here. So we talked about 5 pennies is the same as, you remember, 1 nickel. So I can take 5 pennies, I'm going to say cha-ching, put them in the bank and trade them for 1 nickel. 5 pennies is the same as 1 nickel. Okay, now I've got 5 more pennies, so let's do it again. So, cha-ching, I'm going to move it down here and move a nickel up. So now I have 2 nickels, 5 and 5. So I have another coin. 5 and 5 is 10. I have another coin that's worth 10. You know what it is? You know what this one is? Dime. I'm going to trade my 2 nickels for 1 dime. Now the number we're trying to get to is 13. You remember up here we had 13. Here we go. So I've got 10. Now let's count on from 10 by 1. So 10, 11, 12, 13. There is 13 cents. There we go. 13 days, 13 cents. 10, 11, 12, 13. Good job. All right, let's count by tens today. Can we count by tens today? Here we go. Start at the top with me. Follow along. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I hope you were using your fingers to count with me. That will help you quite a lot if you count by tens. Let's do it one more time. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good. Okay, let's do our coin poems. Here we go. Say them with me. Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents, I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I've been told. Good. Now let's work with our coins. Okay, I'm going to get my, here we go, I'm going to get my number bond out. We're going to work with some coins on the number bond. Okay, so we can see it. Here we go. So I'm going to pull out today to work, I'm going to pull out my nickels. So I'm looking at just my nickels. See how many nickels I have, and my quarters. So I'm going to pull out my nickels and my quarters today. So they're both the larger coins. I'm going to move these off to the side. They're both the larger coins, but how you can tell them apart is look at the nickel. The nickel's a little bit smaller than a quarter. If you put them side by side, you can tell. And a nickel also has a smooth edge. And then the quarter is bigger and it has the ridges. It has these bumps on the edge. Yeah, so that's how we can tell them apart. So let's see how many nickels and quarters I have all together. Are you ready? Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 coins all together. That is my whole. So I'm going to scoot them down so I can see, so we can write in our number bond. So that is my whole is 10. 10 quarters and nickels. But now I'm going to sort them out. I'm going to sort them out separately and see how many I have separately. So let's see. So let's put my quarters up here. See how many quarters I have. Can't get confused. There's another quarter. And then the rest of mine are nickels. So let's see. Let's count how many quarters I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 quarters. Let's write a 5 down. How many nickels do you think I have? Without looking, can you guess? If I have 5 quarters and I have 10 coins all together, how many nickels do you think I have? Let's count and see if you were right. Oh my goodness, Miss Bennett made a mistake. If you can't make a mistake, you can't make anything. Look at this guy. He snuck over here with my nickels. That's not a nickel. That's a quarter. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go change it. So I don't have 5. I have 1 more. So 1 more than 5 is 6. 1 more than 5 is 6. Now how many nickels do you think I have? So if I have 6 quarters, count on in your head to get to 10. How many nickels did you think? Did you think 4? If you thought 4, you were correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my whole amount of coins is 10, and my parts are 6 and 4. See how many coins you can find at your house, and see if you can sort them. See if you can make some number bonds today with your coins. Have a great day.